In Needham, there are 1.4 times 10 to the 10th ants and 2.8 times 10 to the 4th people. How many times more ants are there than people? Write your result in scientific notation. Because we're asked how many times more ants there are than people, it's a division problem. So we can take 1.4 times 10 to the 10th ants, and we can divide that by 2.8 times 10 to the 4th people. We want to see how many times the number of people goes into the number of ants. And as a fraction, I can rewrite that as the product of two fractions, 1.4 divided by 2.8 times 10 to the 10th over 10 to the 4th. And that's because to multiply fractions, you multiply the tops and multiply the bottoms, so I can break it apart into those two fractions. Well, 1.4 over 2.8 is 1/2. 1.4 is half of 2.8. And 10 to the 10th over 10 to the 4th is 10 to the 6th. 4 pairs of 10 over 10 cancel. These are just 1, so I'm left with 10 to the 6th. And that's the answer, but it's not in scientific notation because 1/2 is too small. What I can do is I can regroup because it's multiplication here. I can take one of those 10s and group it with the 1/2. And then I still have 10 to the 5th after that. And 1.2 times 10 is 5. So this is 5 times 10 to the 5th. And that's how many more times ants there are than people.